Muli po kami natutuwang makasama kayong lahat, Pilipinas, sa inyong PBA Commissioner's Cup. Noli Yala po kasama si Yang Jiao sa Araneta Coliseum for the final quarter of this game between Alaska at saka Mobiline Phone Pals. Right now the score stands 69-62. 7-point lead for the Alaska Milkmen. At by no means is that a safe lead, Yang. Alam natin, this is a backdoor play. Oh, what a play! What a play to start this fourth quarter. 19 in the game para kay Rodney Santos. He's 9 out of 10 from the field. Only one miss today.
At alam ni Coach Tim Cone, mainit ito si Rodney Santos. That's why he set up that first play para kay Rodney Santos. Yung backdoor play na yun with the back pick, alley-oop shot.
Oh, well, Santos had 20 points back in his last game against Ginebra. Shot 50% from the field, 9 out of 18. Makikita mo ito si Rodney Santos, talagang parang nakatutok na sa kanya ngayon ng opensa. He's no longer just a second option. Minsan first option na si Santos, no?
Can you imagine, Santos at saka Kenneth Lourdes naging threat na pareho para sa team na to.
And the confidence is just flowing kay Rodney Santos. You can feel it, eh. Hindi na siya nahihiyang tumira. Alam niya na may lisensya na siya.
May lisensya na siya.
And that just makes a whole lot of a difference for a basketball player. Here's Santos again. Takes the shot again and gets it again.
Alam mo yung tinatawag natin, na natutunan ng mga players ngayon. Yung tinatawag nating jab step. Yung na-jab step siya, pagka sumama ka, pwede ka niyang tirahan kagad.
Parang boksingero, ha?
Oo, boksingero. May jab din dyan.
Inside shot, yes! Carlos Strong. Siya bumubuhat dito sa Mobiline sa fourth quarter. 23 in the game, all the 4 points. Wala kay Carlos Strong. Lead is still at 7. Rodney Santos is 10 out of 11 from the field, and he's asking for the ball. They move it around. Hawkins takes the shot. No. Strong gets the rebound.
7 puntos lang ito. Very manageable lead pa ito para sa Mobiline at may possession sila ngayon. Chance to cut this to 5. Pinakamalapit in a long time kung sakali.
Kevin Ramos will be called for this one right now. Let's take it over kay Anthony Suntayan and report kay Jerome Ejercito. Anthony?
Maraming salamat, Noli. The report we got from the Mobiline trainer is that it's only a mild sprain, but unfortunately for a mild sprain, medyo masakit talaga pag tinatapakan ni Jerome Ejercito. So far, ang sabi nila, he just might not be able to make it back. Noli?
Well, that's certainly bad news, Anthony, para sa Mobiline Phone Pals. Although si Jerome Ejercito, parang sinusubukan niyang gumalaw with one leg. That sprained ankle right there. Here's Ravenna. Missing that one. Patrick Ran off a tap. And the lead is down to 5. 73-68.
Now we have a game. Laban pa to ng Mobiline.
And the head cheerleader ng Mobiline, si Guido Babilonia. Up on his feet. Dorentes takes the shot. Malakas. Rebound is Strong, pero matik na magawan. The ball is tapped by Strong. Napunta kay Don Aliado. Strong asking for a foul. Dorentes, Kurt King, binomba pa sa ere, and Jericho Diniera will pick up the foul. The whole Mobiline bench up on their feet. Ang feeling nila may foul dun kay Carlos Strong, eh.
Merong mga contact doon, pero hindi mo na rin alam kung sino dapat ang may foul doon, Pwedeng si Bong Hawkins, pwede rin si Carlos Strong, but the referees let it go, So para fair lang.
At si Kurt King ang nasa linya. Medyo nasusubukan na sila ngayon. Missing that first free throw. And now si Coach Tim Cone will take this opportunity to rest his starters. Cajol is back in the game. Durende sits down. Hawkins also sitting down. Abarientos checking in.
Ipinahinga ni Coach Tim Cone si Kenneth Durentes dahil kasunod-sunod yung mga mintis ni Kenneth. Siguro papalasahin lang yan. Ibabalik din yan sigurado mamaya.
Goes the reverse. And giddy up. Sabi ni Carlos Strong, sumakay ka pa. What a move.
Eto, may end one pa to si Carlos Strong. And yung kanyang offense medyo tumamlay pagdating ng third quarter. Pero dito, maganda umpisa niya para dito sa fourth quarter.
Ano to? Iha! Ayun. And he goes the reverse on our PLDT IDD slow-mo replay up to 75% off. Pwedeng i-play-by-play ang kwento sa mga kamag-anak abroad. And the numbers today for Carlos Strong make that 26 now and 12. 9 minutes remaining. Just a 3-point lead para sa Alaska.
Ang ganda ng balik dito ng Mobiline at sila naman ngayon ang press and putting the pressure on Alaska.
Dito masusubukan muli ang poise and composure, although we still have a long ways to go here. Abarientos. Kirk King and a foul by Ravenna with 4 seconds of shot clock na lamang. And Brian Gahol, instant offense off the bench. 76-71.
Maganda nilalaro talaga ng off-the-bench player si Coach Tim Cone.
Totoo yan.
Nag-umpisa kay Rodney Santos. Ngayon naman si Brian Gahol.
Siguro mabibilang natin ang off-the-bench points dito ng Alaska. Eh kung si Rodney Santos lamang, 21 na ibinubuhos nito. Lusot si Camaso, inilabas si Patrick Cranney. It's been deadly from the outside, although mintis ka doon. Carlos Strong goes up. Yes! What a quarter. He's having 28-9 already in the fourth, and we're still early here in the final period.
And you have to give some of the credit to Jericho Diñera who got the offensive rebound and the assist to Carlos Strong.
Nagtutulungan na. 3-point ball game. Kirk King, inirahan si Strong. Kumalog, rebound ni Ravenna.
Maalat ang opensa ng Alaska rito. They're not getting their shots in. And this is the chance for Mobiline now. Pwede nilang gawin isang puntos na lang.
Oy! Naagaw ni Rodney Santos. Quick hand. He's away! 23 in the game for the Slasher. 11 of 12 from the field. What a game. Camaso sablay. Nagmadali si Camaso doon.
Nagmadali si Camaso. Marami pa sanang pwedeng gawin dun sa play na yon.
Pero alam mo, talagang hindi ko ma-imagine itong laro ni Rodney Santos. He has only missed 1 shot today. Abarientos from the side. What a big shot. Sa ibabaw ng dalawa yun, ha?
Dalawa yung nakatao sa kanya, pero pasok pa rin.
They restore a 7-point lead now, 80-73. Yan ang sinasabing composure ng Alaska Milk. Never ruffled. They've been here so many times before in this kind of a situation. Wala yung tira ni Strong. And Louis Alas may just call a timeout here.
Yes, pagkakalaban mo Alaska, that's gonna be your problem. They know how to make the big basket.
Oo.
Mga big baskets ang tinatawag natin.
Hindi sila nagpapanik eh, no?
Yes.
And right now, ang boss dito sa laban na to, itong si Rodney Santos. Siya ang among-amo. Yang 23 points for the Slasher. He has only missed 1 shot so far. At kung si Tiger Woods yan, runaway victory na sa British Open.
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa. Magpuyat kayo muna para mapanood ninyo. Pero wala yung tira niya. Barrientos. King gets the rebound and there's gonna be a foul laban si Carlos Strong. That'll be number 4 now on Strong.
Ito si Jerome Ejercito, ginamit na rin ni Coach Louis Alas. Kanina ang report sa atin, maaaring hindi na gamitin, ano? Pero in a situation like this, talagang you need all the help you can get. Iginambol ni Coach Louis ito si Jerome.
At pinagsabay na naman niya si Patrick Tran at saka si Jerome Ejercito. Fran has been playing well, ha?
Uy, nako. Ang ganda-ganda ng laro ni Rodney Santos. Yung nag-iisa siya, biglang nawala yung bola.
Eh, tao pa rin naman yan.
Oo, sa bagay.
Sapagkat ako'y tao lamang. Yan ang, tamo ha? Oy, wag kang ganon. Yan ang blooper.
Blooper yan, blooper.
Maganda na sana eh. Tingnan natin kung mababawi niya. Ejercito, tinatawuan ni Rodney Santos. Strongest block. Dalawang sumapal doon. Isang kay Gahol, isang kay Huino.
May tawag na
Pero
foul.
may foul. Edward Huino will be called for this one. Number 3 on Huino. And that'll send Strong back to the line. Let's watch it again.
Ayun, tumama yung kamay ni Poch Huino sa ulo ni Carlos Strong. Nawagan ng foul.
Native of Athens, Georgia. Naglaro to sa NBA for the Charlotte Hornets and the Dallas Mavericks. And of course, last time naglaro siya in a big-time league was with the Idaho Stampede sa CBA. Carlos Strong.
Very solid player itong si Carlos Strong. No? Provides you with about 30 points. Ayan, so far, meron na siyang 12 rebounds. And go-to guy siya. No? Pagka binigyan mo ng bola, he knows what to do with it.
Lead is again. Top down to 5. Look at the Gahol.
Ayan naman, off the bench players of Alaska continuing their good game tonight.
We talk about bench scoring dito, Yang. 31 points na ang Alaska Milk. Mobiline with 16. And of course, out of that 31, 23 nagmula kay Conti Santos, 6 nagmula kay Brian Gahol.
Halos strongly.
Strong faking, going up, drawing the foul from Kurt King. And Kurt King will pick up his second foul. Talagang na-preserve ni Tim Cone si Kurt King from those crippling fouls, Yang?
Ngayon ang ginagawa niya, hume-help na lang siya. No? He doesn't play si Carlos Strong, but what he does is he leaves his man to help on Carlos Strong.
And Strong will be back on the line. Masusubukan na naman siya. And we take a look at Louis Alas and Anik Del Rosario, hihingi ng konting clarification. Hawkins checks back in as we enter the winning stretch dito, Yang. 5 and 28 remaining. Ito na yung panahon kung saan uhugutin mo na yung mga starters mo, ibabalik mo na sa laro, at yan na yung panahon na you're hoping that they can just parang pour it on.
Yes, ang tawag dito, winning time.
Winning time.
It is winning time.
Lorenz, of course, however, is still sitting on the bench. They go down low. Kurt King, na double team. Amarientos, they swing it around. Hawkins is the open man. May tira yan dyan. And this time, wala. Rebound ni Pablo.
Pinasiwas pa ni Dick Pablo sa harap ng kaibigan niya, yung bola.
Okay, Amarientos. Huwag mo naman ako pahiyain. Strong.
Nako!
Loses the leather again. Another turnover. Maybe a costly one. Amarientos. Wino. Back to you. Sabi ni Hawkins, and there's a foul by Victor Pablo.
That's going to be a very costly turnover, especially kung magagawa ni Poch Wino itong dalawa niyang foul shots dito.
Pang-apat na foul yan ni Victor Pablo. And Wino will go to the line. 13 foul naman ng Alaska Milk.
So hanggang ngayon, Mobiline still crippled by those turnovers. Ano? Doon, walang pressure. Yung tinatawag nating unforced error yun, yung kanina.
Okay, Strong.
Okay, Strong.
Tim Cone signaling a timeout here. Pero naibigay na yung bola. Wino, 5th overall pick back in 1994 and the most improved player in 1996. Sablay yung kanyang pangalawa. Ang bola, tinapik niya Barriados, lalabas. Tuloy-tuloy siya. Yung Mrs. Hawkins. Hindi nata umuwi ni Danny.
The intensity ng player yan. Ano? Sumasobra at over the bench na tinalundon ni Johnny Abarientos.
Kung pag-uusapan mo yung tindi ng pagsasamahan ng Alaska, hindi lamang yan sa court. Pati sa off the court, yung kanilang mga misis, one of the strongest bonds.
Barkada, no?
Talaga. Every game, nandyan yan.
Yan, mga nagsusumbungan yung mga yan.
Maganda yun, ha? Foul kay Johnny Abarientos kanina, pang-apat na rin on the flying A. 4.5 remaining, just a 6-point ball game. Again, we're happy to have you with us, Philippines. Sa Araneta Coliseum. Oliera together with Yang Giao. Carlos Strong takes the shot. No.
It could have been better siguro kung si Strong inatake niya yung gitna instead of just taking that step back jump shot.
Oo. Ito. Talk about atake. Inatake siya pero natapik. Hawkins. Tayo pang oras sa kanilang shot clock. 11 to be exact. Game clock reads 4:03. Kurt King from the outside. Kumalog.
From both sides, wala tayo masyado nakikitang perimeter shooting. At karamihan, mga inside points. Both teams from the perimeter, masama ang shooting ngayon.
At ngayon, sabi ni Louie Alas, huwag natin sayangin itong pagkakataon. Ang nalalabing oras dito pa sa ating laban, 3:54. At ang kupunan ng Alaska, umaabante pa rin dito ng 6 na puntos, 83-77. Kenneth Durandez, only 8 points today, 30% shooting from the field.
Pero hindi masyado malaking factor because of the performance of Rodney Santos.
Oo, yan. Parang napunuan, no?
Oo. Ganyan naman dapat sa isang team. Kung minsan hindi nagpe-perform yung isa, yung iba kailangan mag-step up.
And today, a lot of people have stepped up. Although Abarientos' numbers in fouls have also stepped up. 5 fouls na ngayon para kay Johnny A. Talking about stepping up, Santos with 23. Of course, pag-usapan natin si Gahol, 6 points off the bench. But this man here is carrying the load. He has a total of 33, 14 in the fourth. And out of the 16 points dito sa fourth quarter, 14 Carlos Strong.
Ayun, at nag-pacing lang pala ito nung third quarter. Hinahanapan natin ang puntos ng third. It was only 4 points. But he was preparing himself for the last quarter dito.
At ang lamang ng Alaska, 4 na lamang, 83-79. It has been Carlos Strong and Rodney Santos in this game. The big heroes so far. Here's Rodney. He takes the shot. Yun, that time na-defense siya ni Patrick Plan. That's only his second miss today. 11 out of 13.
Tinutukan na ng gusto yung tira yun ni Rodney Santos.
Medyo pilit din, no?
Oo. And in the end game, it's all about making the stop.
Yung field goal percentage mo sa dulo o sa pasimula will no longer count kung matatalo ka at magmimintis ka sa dulo.
Tama. Sinasabi ko rin sa team ko yun. Ano? If it's a close end game, what will decide is if you make the stop. It's not really the offense, although of course that will help. But whoever makes the most stops will win the game.
And right now, the stops of Alaska have always gone to the line. Puro foul. At si Ravena ngayon ang susubukan mula sa linya. There's Tim Cone. As Bong Ravena fashions out this pair of free throws. What an interesting story as well. He makes his first free throw. Ravena was the original pick of San Miguel back in 92. Rookie of the year that year. Suffered a sprain in 94. Traded to Purefoods for Kevin Ramos, who's now playing for Alaska. And of course, then went to the NBA, and now balik sa PBA, and he splits his free throws, and the lead is down to 3. At tangan pa rin ng Mobiline ang bola.
Talo sa size kasi rito, yung Alaska, malalaki ang mga Mobiline. Ayun, nakuha na sila ng offensive rebound. Kung titignan mo yung lineup ng Alaska, tatlo yung maliliit dito, no? At hindi nakapasok si Pochillo.
It's a quick lineup, pero kulang sa rebounding, and now Tim Cone will call a timeout. This will be a 30-second timeout requested by Tim Cone. He's giving instructions to Rodney Santos as their lead has shrunk to 1. They were on top by 16 back in the third. Pero si Victor Pablo, only his 6th point. But what a time to come para kay Vic Pablo.
Ayun yung sinasabi ni Tim Cone, ano, why he had to take that risk. Ano, sinubukan niyang kunan ng bola sa kabila. Nakalusot sa ganun si Vic Pablo.
Diyan ka rin naman bibilib dito kay Louie Alas. Bagamat masama ang inalaro ni Pablo, sa dulo, veteranong ipinapasok niya, hindi si Don Camaso.
Alam mo, ganyan ang gamble talaga ng isang coach. So you live and die with your main guy.
This 30-second timeout is brought to you by San Mig Light. As we enter the 2:47 mark of this basketball game, again, we're happy to have all of you with us. Philippines, sa PBA Commissioner's Cup, Noli Ayala po kasama si Yeng Giao and Louie Alas. Looking for his 3rd straight win. They already have a winning run here. 2 games. The best record so far for Alas. And the sign of the cross. He's asking for everyone's help here, including the heavens. They're down by 1.
Outside ang Alaska rito sa lineup na to. Let's see if this works for them. Oy, that's a foul by Jericho Villera.
Nasa penalty ng Mobiline. That will send Hawkins to the line. 3rd foul para sa defense minister.
And Coach Tim Cone will not risk itong kanyang lineup ngayon. Ano? Magdadagdag siya ng height dito. Ipapasok si Pochillo. Kanina nakuna sila na very important na offensive rebound itong Mobiline.
Yes. Hawkins makes the first. He's an 80% free throw shooter. Alaska as a team is shooting only 69% from the line.
Inilabas na ni Coach Tim Cone si Rodney Santos, and this is the end game. He feels that Rodney has contributed all that he can for this team, and now he's playing with his
best 5.
Solid team, yung kanyang best 5.
Ito na yung starting unit niya. Lamang ng 3 ang Alaska Milk after those free throws ni Hawkins. Walang kukurap. Here's Carlos Strong, 2.5 remaining. They kick it out. Ravena faking a 3. Coming closer. No! Offline. Loose ball. Natapik Fuentes. Tanga na ni Ravena yung bola. Natapik pa ni Hawkins.
Oo nga, that could have been another offensive rebound for them. Pero buti na lang natapik ni Bong Hawkins.
What a game here. As we enter the winning zone. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Hope. Lorente sa tabi. Wala. Rebound ni Hawkins.
Well, the big lineup pays off for Alaska. Sila naman ngayon ang nakakuha ng rebound. Very important.
Pangatlong rebound lamang ni Hawkins yan, but what a big offensive rebound. Only his first offensive rebound for the night. Fred King is down. He's on the floor. Tumira si Dorentes. Yes! What a shot!
Alam mo, si Kirk King, hindi nagmadali, no? Na pag-alis doon sa shaded area, mabuti na lang at hindi nahabol ng 3-second call.
Nakita naman ni Dorentes, kaya naman niya
Tinira niya kagad.
Oo, binitawan yung bola eh. And now Ravenna will call a timeout here as he crossed the timeline. This will be a 30-second timeout, it seems. Or a 20-second timeout. No, it will be a full timeout for Mobiline. 5 po ang kanilang inahabol.
Nabanggit natin si Kenneth Duremdes kanina, no? He didn't have a really good night tonight, ano?
Hindi.
Pero pagkadating sa crunch time, yung mga ganun desisyon, kamukha nung ginawa niya, taking that shot, talagang dumamaasahan ko si Kenneth Duremdes.
Dati nga natin sa dulo, veterano pa rin ang aasahan mo. As is si Carlos Strong, tripping. At may foul, that will be a hip foul against Kirk King. Number 3 lamang yan kay Kirk King, but they are in the penalty, so that will send Strong back to the line. Now this is not yet a one game. Yang malayo pa to.
Hindi pa. 5 points lang yan with the possibility of cutting it down to 3.
Yes. And the chess match continues from the bench. 2 grandmasters at the helm. Carlos Strong. Strong numbers. And he still continues to shoot well from the line. 35 today for Carlos Strong. His PBA career high is 36. So malapit na siya dyan.
Malapit na at pwedeng magkaroon siya ng bagong career high ngayong gabing ito.
Oh, yes. 36 matches his career high. But that will all go down the drain if they should lose this one. They're down by 3. Abarrientos takes a quick shot off the glass. Wala. Rebound picked up by Kirk King.
Again, another offensive rebound, ano? When you make the stop, you should complete it, ano? By getting the rebound. At hindi nangyayari yun para sa Mobiline.
Oh, steal! Patrick Ran, 2-on-1. Ravenna, quickly the defense is there. Pablo sa low block. Turns around, takes the shot. Tough shot para kay Pablo. Patrick Ran battling for the rebound. Laban si Kirk King and winning out. What a jump para kay Patrick Ran.
And he calls the timeout. Ibinigay ng ref sa kanya. No, he was in trouble and he was able to call that timeout, which is a smart move.
Here's a guy na very, unsung, hindi masyado napapansin, but Patrick Ran always showing the heart here. And look at that, battling Kirk King, going down, using his head, calling the timeout.
Ayun. That's what you call thinking on your feet.
Oh,
wala
sa feet.
Thinking on your
knees.
stomach.
Ayan. And saving the day for your team, maybe. They're down by 3 here. And this 20-second timeout is brought to you by Stanley Light. Hindi pa to oras yung para sa 3-point shot with 51 seconds. Obviously, you wanna put up some pressure sa kalaban mo at this point kung ikaw ang Mobiline.
Oo, marami pang possessions dito eh. Baka mga 3 to 4 possessions pa ito. So you don't need a 3-point shot dito. But if you'll have a clear attempt, then you should take it. But if not, you can go for a 2-pointer.
Si Patrick Ran has had 3 PLDT long-distance shots here today, so that's an option at least for him. They go down low. Carlos Strong. Laban kay Bong Hawkins. Trying to push his way closer, and Hawkins will be whistled for the foul.
Penalty na yan, kaya balik sa foulan. Ito si Carlos Strong.
Napo naman, walang double team doon, Yeng.
Walang double team. I was expecting a double team, lalo na kasi Bong Hawkins ang tumatao kay Strong, ano? At hindi dumating. That's why Bong had to foul him.
He has 17 points in the 4th quarter. A total of 36. At dalawa pa lamang ang mintis niya from the line. But these are pressure-packed free throws.
Nako! Sabi mo kasi, pressure pack. Narinig ka yata.
Narinig ako ng bola. And look at Louis Alas.
And we were saying this could be yung kanyang career high if he makes this foul shot at 37 points.
His second, yes. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Shaking his head there. How could I have missed that one? But the lead is down to 2. 38 seconds to go. Hang on to your seats, folks. Abarrientos, 1-on-1, laban kay Fran. 11 sa kanilang shot clock. Isolated. Johnny turns around. The defense is there. What a shot! What a shot! Woo!
Boy, grabe. Johnny Abarrientos.
Johnny Abarrientos, the pride of Naga, 1996 MVP, showing why he's probably the best point guard today. Si Johnny Barrientos hindi lamang kilala sa kanyang opensa pero at kilala rin siya sa depensa niya. But in this particular play, parang hinamak niya ang depensa ni Patrick Fran, tinirahan sa ibabaw. And the 1996 MVP has given Alaska a 4-point lead. More comfortable pero hindi pa sigurado yan.
Ayan ang coach's dream, ika nga, no? If you're in a situation like this, you give the ball to Johnny Barrientos and he takes care of everything. Ayun.
Unbelievable shot. Barrientos, who has struggled a little bit dito sa konferensyang ito. Averaging 8 points, hindi mataas yan. Pero pag pinag-uusapan mo yung impact ng mga puntos, maaaring madoble yung epekto ni Johnny Barrientos dito sa koponan na to.
Yes, at hindi naman exceptional, ano? Exceptional night for Johnny Barrientos. But you always know you can count on him. You want the ball in his hands in a tight situation.
And you look at the last 3 plays ng Alaska Yang, they've gone to Durembe saving them with a basket, Hawkins with a pair of free throws, and then Johnny Barrientos. Tatlong veterano ni Coach Tim Cone. Rodney Santos has been a top scorer here, but in the end, yung pa rin ang inaasahan ni Tim Cone.
Well, that's why Alaska is Alaska. Sinasabi natin, ano? You have guys like them taking care of the crisis situations, ano?
At kaya naman ang sinasabi sa PBA, kailangan masubukan ka ng Alaska bago ka maging title contender. But this game is not yet over. Just a 4-point lead. Carlos Strong to the basket, missing that one. It rolled out. Inilunga pa. Pasok na.
Well, that's what I was telling you about. It's about making the stop of this ball game. Ayun, mukhang assured na sila rito. Pero meron pa tayong 12.5 seconds.
Ito nangyari dito, Yeng. Dalawa-dalawa ang tumao. Tatlo pa nga yan. And that changed the shot of Carlos Strong. Just rolled out. And instead of a birdie, it just may be a double bogey here para sa kupunan ng Mobiline.
Ayun, pasok na kay Johnny. So, parang ano na yan, ano? Insurance basket na.
Fredoy Tengsu, very satisfied at the moment. He sees a 5-point lead and maybe another victory here. As we said, they have not lost back-to-back games in 5 months, and that record might just be preserved tonight. 6-point lead, 12 and a half seconds remaining.
And Alaska will again inch its way into the top 4 standings ulit.
Yes, PLDT long distance, Ablay, tapik. Napupunta kay Strong with 2 seconds to go. Naagawan pa ni Barrientos, and that'll do it here. A big win for Alaska Milk, bouncing back from that 1-point loss laban sa Ginebra. And Tim Cone climbs to 4-3, matching Mobiline's record, and as you said, climbs back to the top 4 teams, a place that they certainly want to be coming down the stretch.